Hey everyone! Are you tired of those boring breakfast options that don't satisfy you and leave you hungry within an hour? Or maybe you're trying to lose weight, but finding it tough to stick to a healthy breakfast routine? Well, I've got some amazing news for you. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 Indian breakfast choices that not only taste amazing, but also help with weight loss. And these are not just low-calorie options. They'll keep you full and happy for hours. Let's dive into these delicious and healthy recipes that you can enjoy every morning without any guilt. So number 1 on our list is a true Indian classic, Poha. Not only is Poha super quick to make, but it's also packed with nutrients and has fewer calories than your regular rice. The best part? You can mix in any of your favorite veggies. I'm throwing in some peas, tomatoes, and bell peppers here. You could even add carrots or beans for a fiber boost. The fiber helps keep you full longer, and the low glycemic index of Poha means it won't spike your blood sugar. Perfect for a stable, energized morning. Seriously, this dish makes it easy to eat healthy every day. Next up, a South Indian favorite, idli and uttapam, but we're putting a twist on it. Instead of the usual rice batter, we're using suji, semolina today. Why suji? Well, not only does it cut down the calories, but it also packs in more protein, keeping you full and satisfied longer. Just look at those colors. I'm adding tomatoes, onions, and even some fresh green chilies for a little kick. You can get creative with your toppings, whatever you like. For all you protein fans out there, don't worry, I've got you covered. Number 3 is all about high-protein breakfast options, like omelets or chillas. If you're vegetarian, gram flour or semolina chilla with brown bread is a fantastic choice. They're packed with protein, and when paired with whole grains, they make a complete, filling meal. And trust me, these taste so good you'll forget they're actually healthy. And now for a little bonus tip. A healthy breakfast doesn't mean you can't enjoy tasty treats. My go-to is a handful of dry fruits. Almonds, walnuts, and raisins are all fantastic options. They're packed with healthy fats, and just a small portion will keep you full and energized. Or, if you're a fruit lover, try eating a mix of fresh fruits on an empty stomach in the morning. It's light, refreshing, and loaded with vitamins to kickstart your day. So there you have it, 5 delicious, easy-to-make Indian breakfasts that are perfect for weight loss. These are meals that keep you satisfied, help you stay on track, and taste absolutely amazing. If you try any of these recipes, let me know in the comments how they turned out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more healthy and tasty recipes. Thanks for watching. And here's to a healthier, happier you, one breakfast at a time.